Welcome, team. So this is some skills that you're going to need for inscribing polygons. This is an exercise 3D, right? So the first thing is being able to draw a circle. You're going to need to practice this. Some of you will be comfortable with it, some of you won't be. You put your point into the paper, and then you can just go all the way around like that to create a circle. Okay, let's just move things like this. Right, so we've got our circle here. Whoa, stay there. Okay. Now, that all well and good. At this point, if we want to create either a hexagon or a triangle, an inscribed one, you just need to basically put your point, without changing how stretched out it is, somewhere on your circle, like I have done here, and then scribe an arc, like I've done there. And you can go both ways. Scribe another one this way, like that. Then you move your point to where you've scribed the arc and draw another one. Oh, not like, you don't want a massive one like that. But draw another one. We'll just draw one here. Then you just keep on going all the way around your circle like this. And draw another one over here. Then you're going to try another one. And that'll be basically there. And you'll see by this stage we're getting pretty close. It should just link up if I've done it accurately with my other one. Let's see how clear. Yeah, I've been pretty good. Okay, and then there's just one more, which is where the point that we started on, I think. And yeah, there should be one there as well, sort of thing. Okay, so I'm slightly out there, but doing it on paper will be a lot easier. Now, if you are going to draw a triangle, you've got to link up every second one. So you could link this, and you'll get an equilateral triangle. So use your ruler. I'm not going to use a ruler, but you could. Let's see, maybe I don't think I want to use a ruler, but join these ones up like this, and you'll get an equilateral triangle. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Alternatively, if you wanted to make a different one, you could join this one, and this one up. Okay, and then you're going to get a triangle this way. Okay, it's pretty hard to do this on screen without using the ruler, but you get the idea. Now, if you want a hexagon, you join everything up. So we could go from here to there, from there 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 to there, and we've got our hexagon. Okay, so that's how you draw either a hexagon or inscribed hexagon or triangle. Now I'm going to talk to you about how to do an inscribed square. So this time I'm going to make a slightly smaller circle. Here it is. Okay. Now with this one, you can use your ruler, and you just want to draw a diameter, which means a line that goes through the center of the circle from one side to the other. Oops, I'm not very good with this computer program, as you can see. Why is this not working? I'm not sure why it's not working. So you want to draw a line across there. There we go. I'm not quite sure why that happened. Okay. Right. Once you've done that, you're going to draw a perpendicular bisector for this line. And the way you do that is you use what you learned in exercise 3C. So I'm just going to do that now. I'm going to extend this a little bit. So I've put my point on the edge here. Whoops, don't want that quite yet. I'm just going to extend this bit. Okay, so I'm going to draw an arc over here. And I think just, oh bother. It's quite hard trying to do it on the computer. Okay, we'll go down here, draw another one. Now we'll move this and try to meet things up. So there'll be one there, and we'll do the same here. Now, I've got these connected up. I'm now going to rule a line joining these bits up. So I should join that with the center. Just gonna pull this into line here. Grab my ruler again. Okay, line her up. Okay, so this is going to be my perpendicular bisector. Okay, so I've got a cross. Now you might have been thinking, well, couldn't I just draw a cross through my circle? Well, you probably could, but this is the, if you're just dealing with a straight, if you're just dealing with white paper like you are in the test, it's not going to have squares. It might be a lot more difficult to do that. So this is the correct way of doing it. Okay, now that we've got those two lines, we're going to do some more perpendicular oh no, come back. We're going to do some more perpendicular bisectors. This time, I'm going to put my compass there, and I'm going to do a perpendicular sector of the line that meets this point here and this point here. So let me pick up my compass again. Just going to make it a bit longer. Right, we'll go over there and we'll join it up with this one, and there'll be one here. Whoops. Okay, now I should have probably mentioned this before. If you were just wanting to draw a square, an inscribed square, you could now already do that. You could just join this up here, and then this up to here, and this up to there, and that up to there. So that's how you draw an inscribed square. But I'm going now for the octagon. Okay, so I'm going to pick up my compass again, and I'm going to do the same thing. This time I'm going to do it over the other side. So it's going to look like, come here, something like this. I'm going to join it up with this one here. Get my ruler out of the way. Perfect. Okay, then now I'm going to get my ruler. And join those up. Almost there. Okay, so now I'm going to line that up like so. Okay, and now I've got one more to do. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just pull my ruler out of the way for a moment. So I'm going to try and go between this one and this one. So there'll be a line that sort of goes down this way. So I'll do it in green this time. Pick up my compass. Here we go. We'll just go, oh no, you Wally. Okay. Okay, we'll go over here. See if I can do this. Okay. And I'm just going to have to move my paper, see that I got that. Yeah, that's fine. Now we're going to do the same over here. Ruler out of the way. Oops. Now what happened there? We just lost everything. There we go. It's not easy. Okay. Then we're going to join up here. Okay. Now theoretically, this is going to be tricky. Oh, yeah, we can do it. Perfect. I'm going to get my ruler and I'm going to join those green ones up. So how are we going to do this? You can see how much easier it is to do things by hand, really, can't you? Okay, and then we join these up with our ruler. Okay, perfect. Now I hope you can see at this point we are there. We're trying to draw an octagon, and you can just join up here. Oh, this is going to be a bit tricky, but do it with your ruler. I'm not going to because it will take me all day. I join here to here, I join here to here, I join here to here, join here to here, here to here, oops, here to here, here to here, and here to here. And if you do that with your ruler, you'll have a beautiful, perfect octagon. And you can know how well you've done by measuring these interior angles here. Now, with an octagon, you know it's 180 times 8 minus 2, which is 180 times 6. That gives you 1080, and you divide that by 8, and that will give you, those angles should be 135 degrees. Alright, well I hope this makes sense. I know it's a bit hard to kind of explain it online like this. I would have loved to have had you in class so I could watch you while you're doing it, but that's not to be. We can always chat more about this once we get back to class, but hope this helps. Good luck.